Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mix Raita at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of fresh, plain yogurt as your creamy base. Next, prepare a selection of your favorite vegetables like cucumber, onion, and tomato, all finely chopped. Don't forget essential spices such as roasted cumin powder and black salt, plus a touch of red chili powder for a little kick. Fresh mint or coriander leaves will add a wonderful finishing touch. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Begin by thoroughly washing all your chosen produce under cool running water. If you prefer, peel 1 medium cucumber before dicing it into small, uniform pieces. Then, finely mince 1 small onion and 1 medium tomato into consistent, tiny cubes. The key is to ensure all your vegetables are chopped to a similar size. This creates a harmonious texture and ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. With your vegetables prepared, it's time to bring everything together. In a spacious mixing bowl, gently whisk about 2 cups of plain yogurt until it becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. Now, carefully add all your finely chopped vegetables to the whisked yogurt. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and about half a teaspoon of black salt. Mix everything thoroughly and gently, ensuring the spices and vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the Raita. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your freshly made mix Raita and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is crucial as it allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a richer and more refreshing taste. Just before serving, garnish your Raita with a sprinkle of fresh mint or coriander leaves. Enjoy your cool, creamy, and flavorful mix Raita alongside biryani, pulao, or any delightful Indian meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.